Hi, I'm Chase Elleby, partner at Williams Elleby. Do you know how much auto insurance coverage you have? Most people say they are fully covered, but what does that really mean? In Georgia, the law requires that you have at least $25,000 of liability coverage for bodily injuries. That means if you cause a wreck, your insurance company will pay up to $25,000 to one person for that person's injury. As you can imagine, in a lot of cases, $25,000 is not nearly enough coverage. Most emergency room bills alone can exceed $10,000 to $15,000 depending on the severity of the injuries. In addition to liability coverage, it's important that you make sure that you have uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage on your own auto policy. This coverage protects you if the at-fault driver doesn't have any insurance at all, or if the at-fault driver's policy is a minimum policy and your injuries exceed those limits. In Georgia, you're not required to have coverage, but if you choose not to have it, you must sign a rejection form. You also have to sign a form if you choose an amount of coverage that is less than your liability coverage. And coverage is very important because, like I said before, you're only required to have $25,000 in liability limits in Georgia. And most of the time, that is not nearly enough to protect you or a loved one if they've been involved in a wreck. Unfortunately, most people don't know anything about coverage until after they've been involved in a wreck. That's why it's very important to check to make sure you have the uninsured motorist coverage on your policy. I also recommend you calling your own insurance agent and asking them what options are best suited for you and your needs. If you'd like to learn more about coverage, go to our YouTube channel and search for videos on the topic. You can also go to our website at www.gatrialattorney.com to learn more about our firm. And of course, if you or a loved one have been injured by someone else's negligence, please give us a call at 404-389-1035.